see him and I said, look, we're going down to Newport where I was living on Pembrey then, and took him to the opticians. So he moaned all the way down. When he went to see the optician, he wasn't too happy. Anyway, he got some bifocal glasses to help him. Took him, and the optician said to him, you'll take a little while, Mr. Griffiths, for you to get used to these glasses. So he didn't even bloody hear that. I'm taking him home now. He's put the glasses in the box, put them away in the car. I said, no, you're supposed to wear those now, Dad. Yeah, but I got glasses here. No, wear those now. So anyway, this went on a little while now. I kept phoning him to see him, how he's going. He said, I'm bloody hopeless. Can't see anything, he said. I said, no, be tough. He said, it'll take a little while. So a few weeks later, he's rung me, and he said, look, boy, he said, I've just been out. He lived in Island Place on the corner where the Stepney Hotel was. There's only one house left, my sister's house. He was living there. He said, I've just gone out on the pavement now. A double-decker bus passed me, and I couldn't see it. I'm thinking there's something wrong with that. We've taken the glasses back down, and it's a 1 in 1,000 chances that the bifocals are the wrong way up.